The top 3 reasons why your business is gonna fail in dropshipping. If you don't watch this video right now, you're missing out on tons and tons of information. Let's go. Kick it off. So the top 3 reasons why your Shopify dropshipping business will fail. All right. So the first thing, and this can be for Shopify, this can be for Amazon, this can definitely be for any platform, right? The first reason is that your product, okay? Everyone that's getting involved into Shopify dropshipping or just dropshipping in general, the number one thing that I see you guys are doing, this is a big mistake because there are points in life or in business where you follow certain trends, right? But you do not follow all the way. You don't do exactly what everybody else is doing, right? You want to create a lane for yourself and your business. So the number one reason, as you can tell, I actually typed this up. I took some time and typed this up for you guys, is that everyone is trying to drop ship products like dog products, right? Dog products, cat necklace, cat products, etc., right? They're jumping into random niches without doing proper research on that item, right? Or on that product. So if you guys notice, you guys are seeing a lot of people that are getting into Shopify dropshipping that are actually selling products just like dog products, right? Cat products, right? Cat necklace, right? What else? Just stuff that an average store owner will sell. And that's a no-no in business, right? You cannot you cannot use Facebook marketing to test those certain products because it's oversaturated, right? It's not a trending product. And there's one strategy I'm going to actually give you guys is that before I even give you guys a strategy, I want to tell you guys this. You have to do proper research on the product that you're selling to actually make sure that that product is trending, right? So, you want to use Google Trends, right? That's one strategy that I actually use in my business. I use Google Trends. I put in the state or the region, United States of America, and then I put the last 90 days. What are people searching on Google? What are people looking for? What is trending, right? If you go on Google right now and type in Google Trends, US last 90 days, right? Or we can do 30 days, whichever your preference is. You're gonna totally understand exactly what I mean and how to find hot selling products, right? The second thing about this is that you also want to use Amazon, right? You want to use Amazon because Amazon is the number one e-commerce platform right now that's taking over the industry, right? Amazon, right? And there's another tool I'm going to give you guys, and I feel like I'm giving you guys a lot of secret tools, right? Another tool that I use, and me and Chris actually use in our e-commerce business, from Amazon to eBay to even Shopify, is that we use one tool called Jungle Scout, right? I can post the link below if you guys are interested in that. What Jungle Scout does is that it's tell you exactly what people are what are in high demand, right? What people are searching on Amazon. And the reason why we're using Amazon, for example, is that number one, Amazon is the number one place that people search for products on a daily basis, right? It's either Amazon or it's Google. If you're using Amazon, which is a keyword-based platform where people search on a daily basis, and you're using a keyword-based tool to figure out what people are using, what people are looking for on a daily basis, or on, just daily, monthly, weekly, whatever basis, whatever key term that you're searching on that tool. When you use that tool, it's going to actually show you what's in high demand and low competition, what's medium demand, what people are looking for, what people are not looking for, and it's going to actually show you how much other competitors are selling that product, right? How much you're doing on a monthly basis, right? And that's so dope because that's how we find a lot of our tools, a lot of our products that we use and test it on our Shopify store or our WooCommerce store, and start testing different Facebook campaigns to actually see what campaigns are actually working for that product, right? Or if this product is really trending. Those are strategies that we use in our business. If you do not choose a product that's trending or people are talking about or is in high demand, your business will crash. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care how bad you want to sell that dog product or that cat necklace or whatever, right? Your business will crash. You're not going to see results. You're not going to make any money, and you're going to be frustrated, right? This is the second reason why people always, this is the second reason why people just don't take this business to the next level, because they don't want to actually put in the work to actually find products that are trending, are in high demand, that people are searching for on a continuous basis, right? The second thing is your site. This is the important part right here, right? Your site, all right? The reason why you're not making money in your dropshipping business is because your site. I'm going to tell you exactly why. I have seen tons of stores, and when I say this, I'm not here trying to offend anybody, but I'm just speaking knowledge and off my based off what I have seen in the past. I have seen tons of stores that are very, very messy. What I mean by messy is that they're using AliExpress descriptions, right? You're using Alibaba, AliExpress, DHgate. You're using their descriptions on your store, right? That's number one. Your photos on the stores are not fully optimized. And what I mean by that is one picture might be this size, the other picture might be this size, the other picture might be this size. They're not fully optimized for your store, right? Another thing that I actually noticed is that the colors, your logos, a lot of those stuff are not intact. When you go to Walmart.com or SamClub.com, or when you go to Costco's, right? Whatever, all these big company stores, you look at their stores and you notice that everything is fully built the right way, where that when customers come to your site, they trust your store. If I come to your store and your store is not fully, right? If your store is not fully built correctly, or if I see a typo in the description, I'm going to back out. The reason why is because I cannot trust your store. That's the first thing you want to do before you even focus on the products. You want to make sure your store is fully built from the frequently asked questions, contact us, the about us, your footer, your logo. You want to make sure every single thing is built. The reason why is because if it's not built, there's no trust. You might have a good product, but if there's no trust, there's no sales. And if there's no sales, you're just wasting time and money. Those two things. And those are the most precious things ever. So let's keep it going. You are not telling them why your product or your store is better than your competition, right? So for say, I might have a camera store, right? Selling lens. You might have a camera store selling lens. My prices might be way cheaper than yours, right? And the reason why my prices might be cheaper than yours is because, number one, I have a supplier that's actually giving me these lenses way cheaper than whatever you're offering them for, number one. Number two, my site is fully built and looking more professional than your site. You probably just got the lens and probably imported it from Orbalo or Shopify into your store. You didn't optimize the description. You didn't put the time frame of how long it's going to get to your customers. You didn't put, what this product can do. You didn't put a video in your description to show what that product can do. You didn't do none of that. So you know what's going to happen? That customer that's looking at your site is going to see my ad and is going to come to my site and purchase. That is why you want to put a lot of information, not too much, but just quality information that's going to actually let your customers know, right? Let the consumers know that, this product you're offering, what is it going to do? Why they should buy from you, and then the time frame of how long it's going to take to get this product to them. Another thing is you want to be creative. You want to give out features. You want to put all the specs, the details, and do not use AliExpress descriptions, all right? Do not use AliExpress description. The next thing is that Facebook ads, my favorite thing in the world, right? Let me make sure that everything is good. Let me make sure. All right, perfect. So the next thing is Facebook ads. I've seen a lot of people overthinking this stuff, following different gurus, different YouTubers, different methods, different strategies. I'm going to tell you guys something, right? And hopefully you guys take this and run with it. The only how you're going to be successful in Facebook marketing is if you get down and dirty. If you get in there and spend some money. Stop being scared. Stop trying to research 50 different marketers because they all have different fucking strategies that's not going to freaking work. I mean, they work, don't get me wrong, but they work to their extent because they created the strategy and they know how to actually, take that strategy to the next level. You want to get in there and figure out what works for you, right? I can show you what works for me, but it's only going to work for a certain amount of time before I figure out a different strategy. Right? Because the thing about marketers and, a lot of these e-commerce store owners is that we don't stick to one method. And if we do, it's it's gonna be to a certain time frame before that method gets expired. And the reason why I say that is because of the algorithm of Facebook. It changes on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, sometimes every 4, 5, 6 months. So you want to get down and dirty, right? And trust me, Facebook ad is not dead, right? And I'm going to tell you why it's not dead. Because me and Chris took a store in 3 weeks from $0 to $57,000, right? Just one product. In 3 weeks, I even feel like it's less than 3 weeks, but in 3 weeks, we took a product from $0 to $57,000 using only Facebook ads. No Instagram influencer, no YouTube ads, no Twitter ads, no Bing ads, no Google AdWords, none of that stuff, right? And, we are into those other marketing platforms, but we're not using that. We're strictly using Facebook ads. The reason why is because Facebook and Instagram is the number one platform that people are on a daily basis, every single second. If I'm marketing a product, I want to make sure that everyone that's scrolling on Facebook or on Instagram will see my product, and I'm targeting them in the right way. You want to stick to one method and crush it. Stop trying to watch. Don't get me wrong. There are tons of videos online that will show you how to start, building your store, et cetera, running profitable campaigns, et cetera, et cetera. But at the same time, you don't want to take all the information. You want to take a piece of the information and add it to your knowledge, and then boom. I don't take all information from everybody. I take exactly what I'm looking for and then apply it to my business. Then that's how I start seeing massive results. Trust me, guys, Facebook ads is not dead. So for everyone out there that's saying is Facebook ads dead or it's oversaturated, it's overpopulated, too many people are using it, you're just scared. That's all it is. You're just scared. You're scared of the people that's out there that are dominating it. And you have space, you have time to actually come in and dominate it as well. You have to take risk. You cannot be scared of this business. These are the top 3 reasons why your business you're not seeing results in your dropshipping business. Your product, your site, Facebook marketing or ads, right? You don't have to use Facebook marketing. You can use an Instagram influencer. If you have the capital, perfect. That's how these 3 things will take your business to the next level. I promise you. I promise you, right? So take this information, run with it. If you need assistance in your dropshipping business, right, make sure to put in type in group below. I will make sure I add you guys into our eCom Dropshipping University group. I feel like I do have a training course that I can actually give to you guys for free that's going to actually show you guys on how to find products, the certain tools that I use, how to build your site, and Facebook marketing, right? So these are the top 3 things. I didn't want to take up a lot of you guys' time. Let me go over and see if there's any questions. Stick to one method and crush it. Of course. You have to. You definitely have to. The reason why is because if you're not sticking to one method, you're going to be doing everything that everyone is doing. And what are everybody doing? Running around like with their head cut off looking for secret strategies, right? They don't understand that people are creating these strategies. I stick to one method. The only thing that I do is that I do a lot of, and I feel like this is an off conversation, I do a lot of manual bidding when it comes to e-commerce and automatic bidding. And that's probably why I see majority of the results that I see in my store from doing from $3,000, $5,000 a day and sell to doing $0 to $57,000 in 3 weeks. There's different components in the Facebook platform, all right? And it can go deep, but it's just different components from custom audience, lookalike audience, manual bidding, automatic bidding. I call some of the targeting that I do, I call it double targeting, triple targeting, quadruple targeting. It's just different strategies that I name all of what I do on Facebook marketing. I name them in a way that I can remember it, and I know what does what objective does what, video views, PPE ads, conversion ads, traffic. They all play different parts when it comes to different businesses that you're marketing, you're offering, whatever you're selling, right? So stick to one method and crush it. Stop trying to duplicate everybody. Stop trying to, feel like, Facebook ads is dead or e-commerce is dead. I promise you guys, e-commerce is not dead. E-commerce will never, ever, listen to me, E-commerce will never be dead. The reason why I believe in that is because, number one, all the stores, right? The brick and mortar stores are closing down. Blockbusters, Toys R Us. All these stores are closing because of people like us that are killing it online. People don't like going out to buy. Some people are just lazy. They want to stay home and they want to purchase. If you're selling a product that people are looking for, they're going to scroll through their phone, right? This time around, from 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock when they're on break, or just probably in the evening time, and they're going to buy. They're going to pull out their card and buy. They're going to sign into their PayPal and buy. And I even have customers buy with Bitcoin. So stick to one method and crush it. I don't want to take up a lot of you guys' time. Like I said, stick to one method, crush it. You're welcome, guys. You're so welcome. I'm going to let you guys go. So like, share, comment. If you guys want to actually get into my eCom Dropshipping University comment group below, then I'm going to actually put you guys in that group. This video will be on YouTube, my public figure page, and my regular profile. So love you guys so much. Peace.